Hello everyone, Ganesh back here. So in this video we're going to see how to read any stock quotes on the Money Control. And Money Control is a free website. It has a lot of useful topics, lot of useful tools which can be helpful for traders also, especially for the beginners. And it also have a paid version, but free version also have a lot of good tools. And I'm gonna use free version. I'm gonna show you how to read any stocks quotes. So also I'm gonna cover other features in the next video, like how to read charts or how to use the balance sheet or cash flow statement or profit and loss statement. So to get the any stocks information, all you have to do click in the search box and type the stock ticker. And I'm gonna choose one from top trending stocks. It's also here Vodafone Idea. So I'm gonna use this for example. So this is how the stock quotes box looks. So first let's focus on the quotes. Here the quotes has been divided into two columns. The first column on the left side, what you're seeing, this is for the Bombay Stock Exchange, and the right column what you're seeing, this is for a National Stock Exchange or NSE. So we're going to use only NSE because NSE is the most liquidity exchange, so we want the most liquidity exchange. So I'm going to explain this in another video why we need most liquidity. And when you look at NSE data, the first thing you're noticing a big number which is 6.55, which is in a green, and green also represent a bull market. When you see a green number here, which means the price is moving upwards or the price is positive. So now the market is closed, so technically today market was positive, which also indicates a bull market. And next what you're seeing here, 0.75. So 0.75 paisa, it is the change that happened today between yesterday close price and today's close price. When you compare yesterday and today, the total growth happened was 75 paisa. And next is a percent. In percent, it growth has a 12.93, which is really good rate. So next is volume. Volume is the number of stocks bought and sold or traded between buyers and sellers in a particular time period. So what you're seeing here, if you break down here, you can see last 30-day average volume is really high. And today the stock was traded really high because most of the people are trading it today because it was a hard stock for today. And you can see the number of volume was really huge on this stock. And especially if you're looking for intraday or a short term, you need to pick up a stock with a high number of volume. So high number of the volume also indicates this stock has a lot of potential in it because a lot of people are trading in it, a lot of trades been happening. So it will help you to get in the market faster. Also it will help you to get out of the market faster, and also to get the right price value volume is important. Next, underneath you can see previous close and the open price. So previous close, yesterday when the market closed, that is the price what it closed, 5.80 paisa it is. And then next today it opened at a 6.35 open price. And technically what it closed, what it opened is really different, and there is a gap between this. So that gap, something is technical, so I'm going to cover this in the next video. You don't need to be worried about this in this. And next, which comes bid price and offer price. So bid price that decided by the trader buyers. So now the buyers wanted to buy this stock at a 655, and the number of quantity that they wanted to trade at the number of quantity you can see, this is the quantity the buyers wanted to buy at 6.55. And offer price, the sellers have to offer it to the buyers. So sellers right now not offering any price, they're not ready to sell at the moment. So it will be visible when any sellers came in, they wanted to sell their stock, you can see the selling price. Next, below that you can see lows and high, today's lows and high. What it mean here, at what is the lowest price this stock dropped today, and also what is the highest price that this stock reached today. So here for today this stock was dropped 6.35, what is our open price as well. And the price which is reached highest was 7.80, 7 rupees 80 paisa. This is the highest price that is reached today. And 52 weeks lows and high, what it mean, in 1 year time, at what price it went lowest and at what price it went highest. The lowest price it dropped in 1 year period was 2 rupees 40 paisa. And our highest price that it reached was 14.40 paisa. So now price is trading at 6.55. Technically we are somewhere midway, so it's not too low, it's not too high, we are at the midway. So now next comes a LU price band, lower price band or upper price band. So what it mean here, when this price will hit, when the stock price will drop to 5.25 or when the stock price reach to 8.10, the trading will be stopped immediately and it halted for some time. So it will halted for some time, maybe minutes or hours. So no one can buy the stocks, no one can sell the stocks. Later on they will release the time again. So that is we call a lower price band and upper price band. This is for a safety reason. All the stocks will have this So basically this is how stock quotes you can read, and it's pretty easy for beginners. And also money control have a lot of other stuff, so as I told, I'm gonna make videos more on this. So this is the short video to show you how to read the quotes. So now you hit the subscribe button, like the video, or drop us a comment, and see you in the next video. Have a good day.